Weather has been all over the board this winter. We've had snow, we've had ice, we've had wind and super cold temperatures. And so as those days start to get warmer, it's a perfect time to go out and inspect your landscape. And we're going to start out with inspecting those trees. You know, across central Nebraska, we did have quite a bit of ice, and sometimes with that ice and wind combination, we can see broken branches. So before you walk up to a tree, you want to make sure you do a visual inspection and look up to see if there's any broken branches barely hanging in there. If there are, then we want to use caution and make sure that we contact someone that can remove that branch safely. If we do our visual inspection and there's no tree limbs up above, everything looks fine, then we can get closer under the canopy of the tree and really take a look at the overall condition of that tree. You know, are we seeing any broken branches? Are we seeing anything out there that we need to take care of immediately? And if there are any broken branches, those can be removed at any point in time where it's safe to do so. So if we have some really nice winter days, we can go ahead and remove those branches. Now, while we're inspecting this tree, we also want to take a look to see if we have any other flaws that might be happening in the tree. Do we have any crossing or rubbing branches? Do we have any dead or damaged or diseased branches? All of those can be removed at any point in time. Dormant season is an ideal time to do that on our deciduous trees, but then we also need to take a look at those evergreen trees as well. Do we have any dead limbs that can be removed and pruned? Do we have any wildlife damage on any of these plants? So these are all things that we need to take a look at when we're doing that inspection of that tree. Also, we need to take a look around the base of the tree. Is there too much mulch that's mounded up around the trunk of the tree? And if so, do we have any wildlife that's overwintering in that mulch or maybe causing some girdling damage of those trees as well? So take advantage of some of the nice days that we have. Go out and inspect those trees. See if there's anything on there that we need to take care of before we get to the spring season.